Hello, it's me, Heather Jo, and today's class is about growing vegetables, so I thought it was appropriate to give you just a little mini garden tour to show you that it's quite possible to grow a ton of food with really not a lot of work. So our garden is set up as a perennial food forest, and there's many layers of vegetables and herbs and fruit trees and annuals and biennials and lots of different layers of plants. This week's class is specifically about growing vegetables, annual and biennial vegetables. And then in the next few weeks, we'll be talking more about how to integrate the tree layer and the shrub layer and the vegetable layer to create your own food forest. But for now, I just wanted to walk around a little bit and demonstrate how much we have going on here. So there's two of us that live here, and we work a cumulative total of less than 4 hours a week on this garden. So that's an average throughout the year. There's going to be a little bit of a push in the spring, obviously, when we're sort of renewing beds and cleaning up stuff. But for the most part, I would consider this a very low maintenance garden. You can see, so what we have here is the front garden. Let's get to a better angle. Okay, so I've got, what I do is, in terms of companion planting, is I do them in beds next to each other. So I've got a whole bed of eggplant next to a whole bed of sweet potatoes, next to a whole bed of basil, and so on, next to a whole bed of zucchini, a whole bed of peppers, and they're all very close to each other. So we still get the benefits of the companion planting without the chaos, basically. And then I've got these flowers all around the perimeter. So right now it's August and everything's really big and fantastic, and it's kind of a wonderful time to shoot in the garden, but also a little bit overwhelming. There's lots of stuff going on and it might be kind of hard to see what we're doing. But the reason I'm making this video today is just to demonstrate to you how much you can do on a very small amount of time. So this was a lawn when we moved in, and we've been here for 2 years. And that's this is what we've done in that amount of time, and it's been in no way a full-time job. It's actually been pretty part-time, and there's been even months, like it's August right now, it's been a month since I've even pulled a weed out here because it's just really, really hot, and I've been working on other stuff like this course. So that's it. I mean, I mostly just wanted to challenge you and encourage you and tell you that it's quite possible to grow a ton of food. We grow more here than we can possibly eat. We're constantly giving food to the neighbors, and we really just don't work out here that much. So good luck, and I hope you enjoyed the class.